Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is 10th of January. Literally it's already 10th of January and today is Friday. Happy Friday to you all, but you all will watch this video I don't know when, because I have couple of videos already up for you all, so you will watch that first. So yesterday we went out, but I didn't get a chance to shoot a vlog. It was raining, but we went to Labrador. Like literally it's beautiful. I live in Gold Coast, Australia. I took couple of clips for reel and also shorts, and also it will go everywhere on my social media, okay? But by the time you all will watch this video, the reel will be up. Like literally lots of video will be up before this video. So yeah, we went to Kmart because we wanted some things. I think we went to, yeah, I literally filmed and uploaded a little clip where I bought that plum, sweet plum from one of the Asian shops. Like literally it's so good. I love to mix that in my oranges while eating. Like literally it makes the oranges so yummy. Esha wanted to go to Kmart to get a body scrub, which she loves, the purple one. I picked up this one from Kmart. Like it's a tripod with Bluetooth and it also has a remote. Like literally a tripod with a remote. Like this one is $25 in Kmart. It will look like this, and one with the light is $30. So I could have got that one, but I do have 2 to 3 ring lights here with me, so I just wanted this one so that I can just move everywhere around. This one is $25, so I thought I'll just share it with you all. And also I'm going to try this swimwear. It's Meet Caves swimwear, and I'm going to try this for you all. And literally I can't wait to try. And literally it's made for KV ladies out there. If you're too KV, you should go check this website out. They have lots of like designs to choose from, and literally I can't wait to try, and we'll try it together. But first I'm going to unbox and set my this tripod, because why not? Comes so nicely packed. As you can see, it comes in this. Okay. Okay, so you tight this part, and here you go. This is it. This is how it looks, and you can adjust the length from here. Okay, this is quite good. I think the legs are really thin, but it's okay. I think I used to have one like this, but it's not bad for $25, I think. This part, as you can see, it's a bit thin. I like it. Okay, I literally like this thing. Okay, so it's like this, and it's nice. I hope my phones will fit. Okay, comes with this, and okay, you need 2 AAA batteries for the remote. I just don't need this thing. So this remote has a small button here, and my phone is heavy. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not like that happy with that thing, but it's okay. It's okay if you use it properly. Okay, it also comes with this Enco Bluetooth multi-use float tripod instruction manual. Okay, I didn't see it. It comes with this. So, okay, universal tripod mounting screw. So if you want to mount your tripod, yeah, this is how it shows. I think I did it right. This is the first one. I literally want to try this. Wow, looks so gorgeous. It's padded and it's a dress. It's so cute. Halter neck dress. Back looks like this. Like this part is so nice. And I think the cup is built in there, so it's not removable, but it's really nice. I like this type, like really pretty. And it has a little bow there and it's cute. And it also has a shorts built in inside. Okay, this is this type. Okay, this is how it looks. I think it looks really nice. And this is how it looks, really nice. And it looks like this inside, and I think it's really cute. And the back part looks like this. I think I like it. This area is really comfy, and the strap is a bit long, so you can adjust. You don't even feel that you are wearing anything, but it's cute. This is the second one. I got in size medium. If you like loose fitting, you should get in size large. If you are like me, my best size is 36 and my hips is 36 too. So if you are like me, you should get in size large, I think, if you want loose fitting. But mine is okay, but I think next time if I'll get something from them, I will get in size large. So this one looks like this. It's kind of similar to this one, halter neck, and also the material feels so good. It's a swimwear, so it will be like this, and it has this frill design, and also it has this inside. Okay, and all of their outfits comes with their tag. Okay, so this is how this one looks. How cute is this? This one is in size medium and it feels so good. I think this is the perfect size for me. This is cute. It feels so comfy. Can't wait to go to the beach. And this part looks like this. As you can see, how cute is this? Like literally love it. It's just so cute. And it has this kind of design here. If your tummy is a bit bloated, it will cover this up, but it's really cute. I think it's made for KV ladies. If you are a KV lady, you should definitely get one for yourself from this website. Like literally, they are so cute, and I think they are really affordable too. So I've got the last one. Okay, so it's a set and it looks like this. Let me show you the shorts first. It has a double shorts inside. It's just a fancy strap here. It has this elastic waist here, and I think it will be really comfy. And this top is really cute. It has this zip here, and also the back looks like this, and the front looks like this, and it's padded. So this is how this one looks. I will say this is my favorite. If I'm going to the beach, I will like to wear something like this. Okay, I don't know, like I think this is so comfy, and I love it. This is how it sits here. Like this is the most important thing for me. If it's a crop top like this, it should sit really well here for me. Okay, I don't want anything which goes up, so I have to keep on pulling it down. Like when I buy something, I do make sure that this part is something like this, especially when I'm buying my gym fits. So yeah, I do make sure that it looks something like this. Good to have this zip here. I can't complain about this fit. Like, it's just so good, and it has these two pockets here, which is so good too, and love it. I think I will get more like this from their website if they have like in different colors, because I think Esha will like it too. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe, do like the video, and also do leave me a comment below. If you are just watching and going, it's not good, just leave me a comment so I will just know who you are. And also, if you want to join me on my other social media, if you want to see me more, you can open the description box. There are lots of links there. You can join me there too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.